managing your $1 million sales team. Hi everyone, Adwin here. Today I'd like to share with you the sales management formula. Number 1 is coaching plan. Always have a coaching plan for your new hire. Make sure that you write down what are the metrics that drive this coaching plan, and are you going to do it weekly, daily or monthly, and what do you want to try to achieve out of this training. Always state down all the objective and to let your salesperson understand that this training is supposed to help him or her to improve the sales. Now for me, I have hired a lot of virtual assistants before, and I do have a process to train them. And what I do is I'll detail down all my processes that need to be done for the day and teach them step by step what to be done and what are the activities that they need to carry out every day, every week and every month. Any of the steps that they are not sure, they can always refer back to you, and at the same time I will try to pick the best person to train this person as the main coach, so that this person will be able to train a more new hire like her. Point number 2 is team culture. A lot of successful companies attribute back their success to their team culture. Do you have a team culture of teamwork where you need your sales team or your people to work together to complete a project? Do you have a team culture of rewarding people, rewarding success? So you have a team culture of rewarding success, your team actually are more willing to execute certain tasks, complete in terms of not just getting the reward, but at the same time a kind of recognition for them. Now always have a team culture in place and communicate your team culture regularly to any new hired or the existing salesperson. So this will enforce the team culture. It's also a good thing to have team bonding, where team go out together and to have meals or to have some challenges to do together. So number 3 is personal growth. Now for personal growth, I would always like to read books that are related to sales and marketing, and give my sales staff the book and to let the person read if I find that it's really helpful to the person. And for personal growth, you can always send your salesperson to go for events, seminars, and also to attend industry related activities, so that the person can get him or herself exposed for personal growth at the same time. So to summarize, 3 key points to manage your $1 million sales team: have a coaching plan, have a team culture in place, and make sure that personal growth is not forgotten. If you find this video useful, do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.